Hey, Veronica, do you have a second? Of course. Without going into too much detail about who it is or anything like that, I just wanted to bring it up to you. There are people in the office who feel a little left out when you're speaking with your colleagues in Spanish, and we just really want to promote a team environment, if that makes sense. There's only one person in the office that doesn't speak Spanish, so you don't have to tell me who it is, because I already know. If I was speaking to her, I'd be speaking in English if it was any of her business. But you know what? Just out of respect, because my mom taught me to be a respectful person, sure, when I'm in her presence, I will not speak Spanish. Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate you. Hey, Janet, just recapping the conversation we just had. Tell Cassandra to mind her business and she won't have to worry about what language I speak when I am not talking to her. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you. Hey, V, can I bother you real quick? Yeah. I have a Spanish caller. Can I transfer it to you? No, you can't transfer it over. But why? She only speaks Spanish. Why not? Because apparently you have a problem with me speaking Spanish. So I am not going to speak Spanish for you. If it was such a problem, you wouldn't need me. So figure it out. Call the line. Do whatever you got to do. But don't count on me anymore to speak Spanish when you have a Spanish client. But I really need to make an appointment with this person. That's your problem, not mine. Should have kept your mouth shut.